Greetings, and welcome or welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. I have a serious question for ask with today. After all, Jerusalem and the Israel people them did treat Jesus, how you think God feel about them? No. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 13 from verse 31 to verse 35. Same time, some Pharisee come to Jesus and say, left the place here and go one another one. Herod want to kill you. Jesus say, go tell the facts there. Say, look, me will run out demon and make people better today and tomorrow. And on the third day, my work we done. I have to go on when I go today and tomorrow and the next day. Because no prophet can dead outside of Jerusalem. Aye, Jerusalem. You will kill the prophet them and stone the one them where God sent to no. Me long for gather your people round me. Like a fowl gather fear pitney them under her wing. But you never want me to do it. God nah go business with no house. Me tell you this. You nah go see me again till you say, God bless the one when sin come. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.